How to check ringtone on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section allows you to view and manage your phone sound and haptic settings. These settings allow users to customize audio feedback and physical vibrations for various actions and notifications. Here, go to Ringtone as shown. You can view all the default and custom ringtones available on your phone over here. The one with a blue checkmark next to it is your currently selected ringtone. You can tap on any other tone to hear a preview and set it as your new ringtone. The ringer volume can also be adjusted from the main sounds and haptics screen. Following these steps, you can easily check the ringtone on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.